Hi, it's Keto Granny, and I am going to do a quick video on some of the acceptable fluids that you can drink on the keto diet while you are doing your intermittent fasting. Now, I combine the two, keto diet and intermittent fasting, to get rapid weight loss results. So that's what I'm talking about. If you combine the two, you're going to have double the weight loss if you do it right. And also, these are some of the fluids that are acceptable for you to drink that won't kick you out of ketosis. It's very important that you do not get kicked out of ketosis while you're on your fasting. Okay, some of the acceptable fluids. First of all, water. Water is going to be best. That's the best thing that you could drink on the ketogenic diet. You can have seltzer water. You can have tea. You can have different teas such as the herbal teas. You can have unsweetened tea. You can have black tea. You can have green tea. So you can have just about any tea that you want on the ketogenic diet, as long as it is unsweetened. If you have to use a sweetener, then be sure that you use a sweetener like stevia. Make sure it doesn't have maltodextrin or malodextrin in it, or Truvia or something to that nature if you have to sweeten your tea. But it's best to have it unsweetened. You can have apple cider vinegar with water. You can put a little bit of lemon in there. You can put some Himalayan pink salt or some iodized salt occasionally. Now, some people say that if you put the whole lemon or quite a bit of lemon in the apple cider vinegar, that it will knock you out of ketosis. Now, me, I have always just made my normal apple cider vinegar water with my lemon juice and my Himalayan pink salt. And I don't know if it knocked me out of ketosis or not, but I still had that almost not on a daily basis, but several times during the week when I first started off doing the ketogenic diet, and I still have it now, at least 3 or 4 times a week. You can have black coffee. They say that to this coffee you can add a teaspoon of butter, either some ghee or coconut oil, and that won't knock you out of ketosis with a pinch of salt. I say black coffee is best. Some people say that you can do your bulletproof coffee, but anything that's over 50 calories, I believe, knocks you out of ketosis. Some people say any type of calories knock you out of ketosis. So that's something that you'll probably have to play around with to know for sure how your body reacts to it. Then there's the Powerade Zero. I hear people, they drink that. I don't drink that because I have high blood pressure, and I've always stayed away from the Powerades because they had a lot of sweeteners in them. But this is a Powerade Zero. Baking soda. Some people say drink baking soda with water, and that's very, very good as a drink for an acceptable fluid on the keto diet. Plus, it has many benefits. Then there's mineral water. And like I said, as far as lemon juice, only 1 to 2 drops. The whole lemon will knock you out of ketosis. Ketoade or Ketoade, and then pickle juice. Again, those are some of the things that I use on the ketogenic diet as far as drinks. Now, I even drink bone broth, but they're saying that bone broth is a no-no as far as acceptable liquid to drink on the ketogenic diet because it has calories. Okay, now I'm going to go over this list again. We have water, which is best for autophagy. And I'm going to add bone broth because I drink bone broth. Water, bone broth, seltzer water, unsweetened tea, herbal teas, green tea, apple cider vinegar with water, lemon juice, Himalayan pink salt, black coffee. Some people say the bulletproof coffee. Powerade Zero. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon in water. Mineral water. Lemon juice, only 1 to 2 drops. A whole lemon will knock you out of ketosis. Ketoade and pickle juice. So there are some of the acceptable fluids that you can have on the ketogenic diet. These are some of the fluids that I use. Again, bone broth and the bulletproof coffee. These are questionable. But play around with those to see what happens to your body. And this is Keto Granny saying keto on. Let's go. Remember to please like and share. Thank you. This is Keto Granny.